Hey guys, good day. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This latest FX. So now today, though this is my first video I'm making on this channel, so I'll be um teaching you guys how the Olymp Trade app works. Okay, Olymp Trade app is an application that is used to trade on forex and binary. Okay, so this is the app. Is available on the App Store and the Play Store. Get so you go to the app. If you have not signed up or you want to sign up, I'll leave a description below in the I'll leave a link in the description for you to register. Okay, you just register with my code. You get my referral code. So I already have an account, so I'll just log into my account. I'll be explaining for what this platform actually is before you start going into trading. Okay, once you've registered, you'll be given a free $10,000 for a startup. But it's a demo account. Like, you can't withdraw $10,000. Okay, you can't withdraw $10,000. You can just only use it to trade. And you can't even withdraw it. It's just like a practice account. Get. So you'll be giving it for free. Some brokers don't give that for free. Well, immediately you've done it, I will advise you to verify your email and your phone number first to make your account more safer. You get. So now let's move into the platform. Now in this platform you have two options. You have the FTT, which is called the fixed time, and the forex. You get. You have XFT card on forex. So you can trade on the FTT. The FTT is one based on time. You get. FTT is one based on time, and the forex is based on percentage. You get. So this is the forex and this is the FTT. The only difference between these two is that forex FTT has fixed time as a time space. You get. Fixed time is all about giving the market a time to rise or a time to fall. Why forex is the same thing, but forex you not actually give a time for it to rise. You just analyze that it will fall, and if it fall, and like how I say it, if you say forex will fall in the next some commodity like euro to USD. Let me use it as an example. If you analyze it and say it will rise in next, just because this stuff doesn't take with time. As you can see here, you don't see any time indicator here. It's only doing like 500 multiplier. You get it? That means if you if you want to trade with $100, you get 500% of $100. You get 500% of $100 like $500. You get. So that's how it is. So this one, if you say, I want to just give you a brief explanation about this FX here. Okay, so if you analyze that this market will go up in next, let me say, because let's say you just analyze it to go up and it did not go up, it was going down constantly. If you go down for a very very long period of time, you will lose your money. Okay, I'll explain all this. I'll explain this stuff in one of my next videos. I'll explain about forex. I'm just giving a brief explanation about all the market here. Yes. And about fixed time. Fixed time is all about giving an accurate time of which the market will fall or rise. Yes. Now, let me explain the full body. Now, in this up here, you can see your demo account. If you tap on it, you can see your USD account. You can see your USD account, which is crypto, and you can see your euros account. Okay, to deposit into all these methods is very easy. I'll show you in my next videos how to deposit in any of these methods. Okay, but if you want to deposit crypto, it's not very hard. It's very easy to deposit in crypto. Okay, so that's all about the depositing side. Okay, so now this is your profile and everything. You see some other new stuff. You give some daily tasks that will increase your FTP, which is your levels of trading. You get. You'll be giving some daily tasks like this one. Now I'm giving, they say make one profitable trade in less than 4 USD. Okay, what I'm trying to say is that I should make just one profitable trade, and I will make 4 USD. Get. I'll be giving 300 XP. 300 XP means my status will be increased. Get. My status of trading will be increased. As you can see, the status of trading of this account is a starter, because I'm helping someone trade on the account. Get. The status of this account is just a starter. Get. So it's on 0 XP, as you can see it here. But when I continuously trade, it will begin to change gradually. But this one, it can't change. Don't be trading on demo account and expect your daily task to be completed, because only on the real account, that's when everything is working fine. You get. So now I already explained this one here. This one is about the asset we have. We have fixed time and the forex. Fixed time and the forex. These are some percentage. Yes. What this actually means that in this 90%, if you want to invest, you'll be getting 90% of the capital. 80%, you'll be getting 80% of capital if you trade on the asset. 70%, you get 70% of the capital if you trade on the asset. And you have currencies, metals, commodities, stocks, OFT6, and all of that. You get. Now this the one beside the 90%, you see some triangle, like something like triangle here. When you tap on it, these are the instruments I can use. I'll give you a short signal. Okay, these are the instruments. They have a lot of instruments, strategies also. There's some free strategies, there's some blocked strategies. You get. So and here this is the time frame. Okay, you have the area chart, you have the Japanese candlestick, you have the bar, you have the Hishkin Hish Abi, anyhow, you have any of them. So you can pick any one that you like in your see, like you can see properly. Okay, all of them are likely the same thing, but this area chart is more different. You get this Japanese candlestick is more like the bar. Yes, it's more like the bar. Yes. So I will not be explaining much about the candlestick, but it's a very broad stuff. You get. So that's all about the stuff. This one is about the buying signals. You get. And note these signals are not 100% sure. If you are following the signals, some of them you might lose your money. You may lose your money. You get. But follow your strategy. Follow the particular strategy you're using. Then you surely get it. Okay, so that's now about the lower part of the app. Yeah, as you can see here, this place is for the duration you give the asset to rise or the asset to fall. As you can see, you are in dollar-based index. We're in dollar-based index. Yeah, we're in this asset here. So I can see let's see, dollar-based index. Let me use dollar-based index. I can see in the next 20 or 31 minutes it will rise, and I will place my own trade with $100. You can place your trade with like any amount. The least amount is $1, I guess. Yeah, the least amount is $1. Yeah, and the time you are giving, your highest amount you can give is only 23 hours, because you can only give a asset to rise in the next 20 hours. That is the highest amount you can give. Okay, that's the highest time you can give it. Okay. If you don't rise in that amount, or if you rise within that period of time, your money is gone. You get. And note, in this trading, you are using 100% of your capital. You get. Whenever you place a trade, like that, let me explain to you. When I mean 100% of capital, that means you have in this place. Let me go to the demo account. You have a $10,200 in your demo account, and you want to place a trade, and you said, and you now trade with like $200. Note, if you trade with $200 and you lose the trade, your whole $200 is gone. That's just it. Your whole $200 is gone. But if you analyze the trade properly and you got it right, you'll be giving 87% of $200. You get. As you can see it here, if you want to be doing the percentage of this thing, the profit you'll be aiming, you look at the percentage. You get. This one, gold is on 90%. Asia Composite Index is on 87%, and all of them 87%, 84%. You get. Note, I won't advise you to trade on 30%. You get, because you can't just be risking like $20 for just like $3. You get. That's just how it is. That's how it is. So don't trade on 30% trade. Even 80%. So don't only trade on 80% above. Don't trade on 70%. That's not advisable. Yes. So about this one you can give a fixed time without you ever coming to the app. You get. But these are for pro users, sharp. These are for pro users. Like if you want, like some pro users just listen to some stocks and go get the analysis from there. They'll just set a time. Set a time that let me say this 10:08 by 11 a.m. Yes, 11:02. The trade open on the gold automatically. You get. It just opened by itself without you coming to the app. You get. That's all about it. Okay. So now this is the downtrend. This is the uptrend. And let me show some examples of this stuff. Now I prefer using a candlestick because this the area chart is more better on laptop for a bigger view. get. The real chart is more good because the real chart you don't even need some analysis to do it. That's the truth. Real chart you don't need any analysis to do it. You just need a laptop to do it. You get. So I'm using Japanese candlesticks because I've used some indicators. You get. So let me just give you some explanation. Let me go to another asset because this asset is not stable at all. It's not stable. Make sure you know don't trade on unstable assets, please. If you trade on unstable assets, you can lose your money because it's fluctuating around the markets. You get. So let's proceed. I want to open a trade now to show an example of FTT. Get. I'll show an example of FTT. I'm on FTT market. Let's leave forex for now. Let's go to only FTT. Now I'll be saying what I just saying just like I'm placing a bet. On this euro composite now, you'll be like, in the next 1 minute, the euro composite will rise for the next 1 minute. You place it with $200. Okay, you can reduce it any amount, anyone that you can afford to lose. You get. So you can analyze that the next 3 minutes, the next 4 minutes, the next 5 minutes. And note these candle frames. One of the candle frames indicates 5 seconds. You get. You can change it. There's 5 seconds, there's 15 seconds, there's 1 minute, there's 5 minutes, there's 10 minutes, there's 15 minutes. Now what's different between all of these all of them is that see these 5 seconds now. Per one candlestick, it will take one candlestick for it to move to another candlestick in the next 5 seconds. You get. Like for this candlestick to move to this next candlestick is 5 seconds. Let me show you something. Now see. In the next 5 seconds, it's going to move from this candlestick to another candlestick. As you can see, it keep changing like that every 5 minutes, every 5 seconds. Sorry, keep changing like that. You get. But if you put it in 15 seconds, every 15 seconds, that's when it will be changing. You get. That's when it's changing. And with this time frame you are giving it, it also reflects on the amount of time you are giving the market to rise. You get. You can't put your candlesticks on 5 seconds and be trading on 5 minute trade. No, it's not proper. You get. You can't put like that. Make sure your candlestick time frame is more than, like, let me give an example. 1 minute. When you put your candlestick on 1 minute time frame, make sure you are trading on a 2 or 3, 1 minute, 2 or 3 or 5, highest 5 minutes, even in the 5 minute trade. You get. On 1 minute candlestick. You get. So if you are trading on 1 hour, you can just put like, that's why there are more hours. They can put like 12 hours. You get. So what is 1 hour means? Like this one is 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours. Now in the next 1 hour, this candlestick will move to another candlestick the next 1 hour. So that's how it works. I'll put it on 1 minute. Yeah, I'll use $50 to trade. Now I'm not using indicators. Now I just want to show you a example. So now what I'm just saying that in the next 1 minute, this stock fall. Now I have opened a trade. Now as you can see here, $50. It has drawn a line. For me. If it's above that line in the next 1 minute, I will lose the $50. But if it's below the line, I'll get my $50. Why? Because I place a downtrend, a sell signal. You get. This is a sell. This is also a downtrend. What do you call it? A sell trade. You get. So, but if it does see it, as you can see it now, I'll be losing minus $50 if it's above. As you can see, it's above the line, so I'll be losing minus $50. You can see how risky this thing is. So it just depends on the kind of strategy you're using. And if it's below, just like how I said it, because I said that to go down, and if it go up next 1 minute, I'll lose my money. You get. So let's be praying. Let's see. Though I don't use any strategy for this one, so. Oh, I lost the trade. That was very close, though. I lost the trade, though. So now let me take example of an uptrend. Now I said the next 1 minute, this market will rise with $50. Okay, let's see if it will rise or not. I'm not using any indicators for now. I'm just doing randomly. You get. Let's see if it will rise. As you can see here, the fixed time, the percentage is 84%. That means I'll be getting 84% of $50. 84% of $50 will be like $42. You get. So if I get this trade right, I'll be getting $42 in return. You get. And make sure when you are trading, you also follow risk management. You get. Note the amount of money you can lose, the amount of money you gain in a day. Now, as you can see, results. Let me show you. See, I got it right plus $42. It will be added to my account. Same thing, if you have a real account, it will be added to your real account. So that's all. And this one is about your trade history, forex history. If you want to trade on forex, I will show a video full on forex. But this is about the FTT. Yes. You can go on the market. You can buy some instruments or some tools. You can see them here. These are the events. Like you can do a competition with other traders. Yes. Other traders are using these websites. You get. You can see it. I can get help, tutorial lessons, or anyone you want. So that's all about this one for now.